What? Did you unbolt it and shit? What's going on, guys? Your boy Red Eyes back here with another video. Today, getting ready for the Inspire Me. Gotta get the Pikachu ready. Do some work. Well, not much. Just gonna do the back lip. Just taking it off right now. Gonna do that. We're barbecuing too. Wait for the. Yeah, I can't say that. I can't say it.
One thing I said,
Yeah, dude. Hey, we didn't hear nothing, so we're gonna take out the bumper. Wait for the homies. And yeah, let's do it. Dude, do you know how hard it was to edit that shit out?
I think you texted me, and I'm like, this motherfucker laughing right now. Yo, where'd you come up with this shit?
Yeah, dude, I was cracking up. Hey, hurry up! You have to put in the coat to it?
There's a glory hole right there, and you have to touch the glory hole.
You just suck on it. Let you into a coat and shit. Yeah, bro. It's okay. We're all the same. Eevee. Yeah, you don't gotta like it.
Right here.
Oh shit. Yeah, so we're at the storage unit. We're about to get a radiator, right? And
Yeah, because mine has a hole in it.
yeah. You gotta stop poking that shit with your dick, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was nice and warm.
Yeah, bro.
Good.
It's nice
What
and
good?
warm, dude.
Don't lie.
Damn. So it's a storage queen? Storage queen.
It is a storage
Yeah.
queen, bro.
I told
Damn.
the one dude that has the fucking the whole shop. I don't have microwaves.
$40? Damn, bro.
I like that fucking dudes in the hatchback, that full size one. That's fucking cool.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm gonna do, or mine's gonna be like
Radiators
You're gonna
out.
go to here.
Yeah, bitch.
I'm gonna go to like the very end of it, like as close as here as I can. Probably actually will go to the end of this, and then I don't know how I'm gonna.
You have to make bracket on the bottom.
But
Yeah, we got the radiator. Picked up a new hooker. We're on our way.
It's in the back.
So let's go, bitches. I'm gonna. Gang, gang, bro. Oh, shit. You got the radiator. Hey, don't tell him I took it. Hey, don't tell him. Just hide the radiator for the homie. He doesn't know. Whee! Oh shit. Yeah.
little mouth.
The little mouth.
Master and slave to make see if that wasn't it first, because how gay would it be if the clutch was good and we pulled that out? So we just did the master and slave, and it was test drove and it did the same.
Yeah,
This is how the fucking go, you know what I mean?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yee. Ah. You gonna clean it? Or?
I did.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Dude, yeah, because I forgot you
Your lips on.
San Jose had the fucking lit ass
What's
scene.
up?
Yeah, our scene.
And they were fucking, they were cutting
Is it
all
okay?
the time.
No, but like their scene out there was fucking hella good.
Better?
Back like 10 years ago, it
Yeah.
was hot. Way hot.
Oh, it's fucking
Damn.
good.
We had everything.
No, because I know people who used to go to San Jose.
Huh? Nah, fool. I'm just kidding. It's right here.
Was that?
Yeah. I was gonna fuck around with you, but
No, it's like I had it back there when I got here.
no, I know. I took it out and I told your brother don't tell him. I took it, but that shit was gonna take a while.
Where's that 10 milliliter?
Mexican. Only has the holes for the. Yee! So we're just getting close to the location. We're gonna stop, get some food. Oh shit, we're gonna go this way. Mark's probably hating me right now because I threw rocks at his car. Sorry, bro. Well, I don't know if I did, but I heard rocks. And he's behind me.
Anything kind of type of food you want?
Some good food. Some cold beer. No. Yeah, dude. That was a fucking drive, dude.
Fuck, you feel like forever. When I'm by myself too, it's fucking.
Yeah, dude. And I don't have no fucking music. I forgot my little speaker thing. Fuck, dude. So we're gonna get some food before the show. Some what? Mediterranean.
Mediterranean.
Yeah, that shit. I can't see it.
So VTEC's hitting now.
Yeah?
But it won't let me go over 6,500 RPM.
Oh.
So when we pull that other one, so.
Oh, for real? Yeah.
Red eyes for one. This fucking ghetto ass motherfucker.
Hey, fuck you, dude.
Might as well go.
SFS.
Watch yourself.
He just got to the show. It's already freaking late. 10 minutes before it starts, but it's already freaking late. Yeah. Get clean. Car's clean. Fuck yeah.
Park right there on the street.
Where? Oh, you want to park on there? Oh.
See the phone.
Damn. Is it Lalo's car? That's his old car, no? Damn, one over there, one over there. I know.
I should got here earlier, bitch.
I know. Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Let's go, guys.
Hey man, how are you? Good.
I went.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Crazy. What? Oh, 4-door?
When I was in Japan, I saw like all of them. Once I went to the depth border, I'm like,
Yeah, was it R35? Or 34, or 34, right? Yeah.
No,
It's R34? No, 33 is more round. I don't know.
yeah, there was a couple of guys who my friend was like, well, they have 4-door. Why wouldn't they have a fucking 4-door?
Yeah. And they have the hard top. Or the S2K. Yeah, dude. Right. Oh, they're only right hand drive, right? Yeah, dude. You got the plug.
I was thinking about doing right-hand drive position on the hatch.
Oh, the plug?
So I wouldn't really have to.
Yeah. To the seat. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It looks good all painted too. Like all
Well,
yellow.
See if mine's on the top part.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not painting it all yellow.
Damn. Oh, it's the same. Oh, dude, it is. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, so I didn't have a sticker like this fool. It's all fancy and shit. I got money, so I painted my shit. Yee. So follow me and shit. Damn.
I just like the South.
Fuck, bro. You need to get on this level, bro. You need to get on this level. New car.
I was bitching about my truck and that shit was easy.
Yeah, dude. Oh, look at this. Yeah.
CCC?
Are they the flat ones? Or?
Mhm.
Yeah, so sick.
Shit, is that smart?
For real.
The 370 though.
Yeah.
SOT flow?
That one? Yeah, dude. I was looking at it. The truck?
I like it. I like the fucking front bumpers.
Yeah.
I don't know, just something bothers. The wheels are, I really like the wheels too.
Yeah, dude. It's like a sick combo.
Dude, I like the paint though. Like the red paint.
Yeah.
And you see how on the lips and everything?
And that's stock, no? Like, for the... Oh, shit, dude. Nismo seats. Damn.
I like it.
It's hella nice.
I'm not like a big like the Nissan shit, like all the new Sentra, but this thing's fucking set up fucking dope.
Yeah, dude.
I don't know, I think it's sick.
Yeah, it has to. Miss yours? You had one, right? Yeah. And you did it or what?
Not really.
Oh,
Nice though.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Fucking bone stock. And it's actually sexy as fuck. I don't
Yeah,
care
dude.
what it says. Everything.
I just like the South.
You're gonna have this thing bone stock and it's so fucking sexy as shit.
Yeah, dude.
And this car's fucking 30 years old almost.
Before that? What? Yeah. How you wait?
Oh, so the
That's damn.
that one's the same one.
It's the one with the black front, right?
I like the combo though.
Yeah, it looks good. On the that GTR, right? Oh, the red one? Yeah.
It's a GSR.
A real GS?
He was here for a little bit and left. people I met, they're from.
What? Oh, you just got, yeah. We would have seen them.
On my car.
So sexy. Things are beast. Yeah, it looks sexy as fuck, bro. That's it for the show. We're about to take off. We go hang out with the homie, do some shit. So yeah. Let's get on.